Welcome to the episode for WebScarab. Introduction and beginner. I'm just going to show you how to get it, to download it, and install it and run it, and just a quick scan. Basically, what WebScarab is it intercepts and modifies requests. It analyzes the web traffic and it tests web applications for vulnerabilities. A bit similar to Burp Suite a bit, and also Zap, OWASP Zap as well. Okay, so first thing you need to do is go over to this website, which I'll just copy, and this will be in the description or comments. I'm going to grab a Firefox browser. If this is set to the proxy through your previous exercises, remember that the other exercises like Burp Suite or OWASP Zap, shut them down. They might interfere with each other. But this is pretty cool. Well, maybe not, because you can't find it. So I'm just going to dig around and see where it is now. It shouldn't be too long. Well, after a little bit of digging around, I've noticed that the original location is no longer there. It just disappeared off the face of the earth. But Kali, bless them, have a copy here. So we can go to the Kali website, and it shows us what to do and how to download that. So all you need to do is sudo apt install WebScarab, and I haven't done it, so I'm going to go ahead now. I'm just going to paste that into there, and let's see how it goes. Hopefully we get that working. If not, we'll do some troubleshooting and get that up and running. No, okay, well, that was pretty easy. I'm surprised, actually. Usually things I run into difficulties, especially recording live, but I'm not complaining. So now, we're going to have to make a change to the web proxy, and it's a bit different than the previous examples. The previous examples we were using port number 8080. WebScarab listens to port number 8008. Bit of a difference there. Let's go into, and by the way, if you're struggling with the concept of port numbers in terms of security or anything like that, or just what I'm actually doing here, comments, and I'll create a video on that because it's quite an important topic. It's one of the reasons why I highly recommend my students to go and attempt Network Plus or CCNA just to get that foundational knowledge. But message me in the comments, and I'll create some videos for you. All right, so now what I need to do is go into settings, and I'll type in proxy. And now you'll notice that in my previous previous episodes, that I've been using 8080. Well, I'm going to change that to 8008. Now, I need to put the num blocks. Now, the reason why I'm emphasizing that is because this will drive you crazy. You'll do some troubleshooting, you'll reinstall and install, and you'll scratch your head, and you'll think, what's going on? And it's just a simple fix a lot of the time. Okay, now let's go and do some interception of traffic. Let's intercept traffic. All right, so let's go ahead and do it. Now that that's installed, I believe that we should be able to just type and find it. There it is, WebScarab. Just click on that. Nice and easy. This has got a lot of tools right here. This is cool. Messages, proxies, and so forth. So what we'll do is we're going to now, I'm just going to leave that on summary. I'll go to Firefox, and I will run Metasploitable, just those links. I'm not going to go anywhere deep yet. And let's see what happens in WebScarab. Yeah, so some traffic's being generated. So we'll go to the Spider tab right there. And you can see that that's the website that I went to with the web application. We've got some detecting portal. And so some things are happening, right? So now what I'll do is I'll enter the URL, which is that one. And yeah, you can see those web applications there. So now we'll do some crawling. So what I might actually do, I might do something a bit interesting instead. I'll actually go into DVWA and I'll type something in here, enter it, just to make this a little bit more fun. So we're in there, not now. Go back to, yeah, so stuff is happening. Yeah. Oh, and we can do, yeah, there's a few things that we can actually do in here. So we can perform kind of attacks but what I'd like to do is just, yeah, well, actually, you know what? It's done it. It did it automatically. I was looking for the tool to actually scan and find, discover links and crawl around. It did it already. It's pretty impressive. So you got some images and that's quite impressive. So from this position, you can then go out and perform other kinds of analysis and scans. It's to use this tool, and this is just an introduction. I'm just showing you where to go, what to look for, just a really brief overview. Again, if this is something that you're really interested in, I can create a whole series on this, but it's a big one. Powerful, amazing, lightweight compared to OWASP's Zap and Burp Suite. I would use this in combination with Nikto and Derb as a combination, because it doesn't do everything. But if you get Nikto and Derb using this tool here, you've got a powerful set, and you don't have to pay a cent for it. So you don't need to buy Burp, as good as it is. But anyway, I thoroughly enjoyed this. I would love to go into this deeper and see how far I can get. But again, I'm just introducing you to the topic. You can look into it and play with it and have fun as much as you can into this tool. But that's it for today. Again, remember, one more time, if you really love this kind of stuff, you really are into it, let me know and I can create and develop a series to help you out on your journey in being a web pen tester. Well, hope you enjoyed the episode. I really look forward to seeing you in the next episode.